morning, students. I welcome you all in our English class of Standard 1, and this is video 3 of our previous lesson, lesson 10, the sun and the wind. We have done the introduction, hard words, reading, word meanings, and in our last class we have done the question answers of checkpoint, and your homework was to write the hard words 3 times each and to learn it. So I think you have done, and to write the question answers of checkpoint also in book and in copy. So I think all of you have done it, isn't it? Okay, fine. And I told you that in our next class we will do the exercises of the book. Okay, we will do the exercises of the book. So hurry up, students. Please take out your book. Which book? Course book. Course book. Take out your course book and your copy, pencil and eraser. Okay, so go take out your book first. So lesson 10, the sun and the wind. We have done I connect section. We have done I read section. Checkpoint 1. Checkpoint 2. Okay, completed. Now today we will do I understand, think and reflect, and I observe, I extend. Okay, the exercises of the book. Now, start from I understand section. Now, these are the filling the blanks. These we will write in the book only, and you will also write in the book. Okay, you will also write all this thing in the book only. So, number 1. The sun hide behind a. What is the answer? See here. The sun. Said the sun and hide behind a cloud. So the answer will be here cloud. C-L-O-U-D, cloud. The wind dash and blew hard. The wind puffed and puffed. P-U-F-F-E-D, puffed and puffed. And blew hard. The sun soon, what? See here. The sun began to shine brighter and brighter. So, the sun shone brightly. When the sun shines, number 4, when the sun shines, it is hot. See here. As you know, when the sun shines brightly, it is hot, isn't it? It is hot. The wind, when the wind, number 5, when the wind blows, it is cold. It is cold. So, you will also write all these filling the blanks in the book only. No need of writing in the copy. The sun hid behind a cloud. The wind puffed and blew hard. The sun shone brightly. Thus, when the sun shines, it is hot. And when the wind blows, it is cold. So, we have completed this I understand section, filling the blanks. That means question number A of I understand section. Okay. Now, question number B. Question number B of I understand. Here, answer this question. Here you have to write this in your copy. Okay. So, first question is, what did the wind say to the sun? What, sorry, what did the wind say to the sun? The wind said to the sun, I am stronger than you. What did the wind say to the sun? That he is stronger than the sun. So you will write here, the wind said to the sun that he was stronger than the sun. Okay, once more I am repeating. What you will write the answer? The wind said to the sun that he was stronger than the sun. Okay. Number 2. What was the sun's reply? What was the sun's reply? See here. The sun did not agree to this statement. And what he said? At that time only they saw a man walking on the road and he was wearing a thick coat. So the sun's, what was the sun's statement? Let us find out which one of us can take the coat of that man. This was said by the sun. Okay. So here you will write question answer number 2. The sun did not agree with the wind and said that they must find out which one of them could take the coat of the passing man. Once again I am repeating answer of question number 2. The sun did not agree with the wind and said that they must find out which one of them could take the coat of the passing man. Okay? Let us come to question number 3. What did the wind do? What did the wind do? See here. The wind puffed and puffed and blew as hard as it could. So what did the wind do? So what you will write the answer of question number 3? The wind puffed and puffed and blew as hard as he could. Once more I am repeating. Answer of question number 3. The wind puffed and puffed and blew as hard as he could. Okay. Question number 4. What made the man remove his coat finally? So what will be the answer of this question? So answer of question number 4 is the sun's heat made the man remove his coat finally. What will be the answer? The sun's heat made the man remove his coat finally. Clear? So, question number 1, 2, 3, 4 we have discussed. Now, what you have to do? You have to play the video and you will write the answers. Okay? So, come to the next section. Think and reflect. I think and reflect. Now, number 1. What makes the sun so strong? What makes the sun so strong? Obviously, the heat of the sun. So, the heat when the sun shines brighter makes it so strong. The heat when the sun shines brighter makes it so strong. Okay? Number 2. Question number 2 of think and reflect. Who do you think was stronger? Can you think of any other way this could be proved? Yes. Who do you think was stronger? Now, this answer is totally up to you. Who do you think stronger, the sun or the wind? If you will ask me, my answer will be both of them. Both the sun and the wind are equally strong because both have their own strengths. Isn't it? Both, according to me, both the sun and the wind are equally strong because both of them have their own strengths. Now, can you think of any other way this could be proved? Again, this answer is totally up to you. Now, you think any other way to prove who is stronger, the sun or the wind. Now, any other way you can think and you can write. Okay? Now, let us come to I observe section. Listen to Meena describe a hot sunny day at the park. Now, this I observe section, it is a listening activity, and listening activity is impossible without the smart board. We have to listen this conversation, work in pairs. This Meena describe how Meena is describing a hot sunny day. So we have to do in the school only. We will play this in the smart board and we will listen how Meena is describing the hot sunny day. And what we have to do then? Work in pairs and describe one day when it was very hot. Tell your partner where you went, what you did and how you felt. So it is again a pair work, a pair activity. So in the school, when we will go to the school, we will do this I observe section. Okay. Now let us come to the last section, I extend. Look at the words in the box. Put them in the correct column. Here, some words are given in this box. And what you have to do, and see here. Here again, two spaces are given. Here one is sunny day, another is, I think it is cloudy day. Now here some words are given. You have to choose which word you will write in this box and which words you will write in this box. So again, this is your homework. Still, we will discuss this answer. This is a sunny day. This box belongs to the sunny day. So here see hot, summer, cold, bright, autumn, cloudy. So hot will come to this box. Again summer will come to this box. Cold, when it is cloudy, when it rains, we feel little bit cold. So cold will come to this cloudy box. Bright, again this box. Autumn, again in this box. And cloudy in this box. So I'm not going to write. I just discuss it and you have to write. You have to do this homework. Okay? And I told you to read the chapter. Now I think and I am sure that each and everyone have gone through this chapter and you have read this chapter according to my reading. I am sure. And if still some problem is there, read it again and again. Okay? Do the reading practice again and again if you have any problem in reading. Clear, student? So today we have finished this chapter. We have done the reading, the hard words, word meanings, checkpoint answers, this I understand section, think and reflect, and I extend. And this I observe we will do when in the school, when our school will open. At that time when we will go to the school, we will do this. So today this chapter is finished. Okay, student. So we will again meet in our new class with a new topic. Clear? Till then, bye bye.